Tamuh on the beat once again.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh Lord, some days I'm just tired. Everybody says I'm doing fine, but they never see the tears behind my smile. Vanongoti ndakasimba ndichazvigona, asi havazive hondo dzandiri kuruva ndega.
Every morning I wear another smile, hiding every scar for just a little while. Hope in my pocket, pain in my soul, trying to stay together when I'm losing control.
Who do I run to when the night's so long? Who holds the one who's always strong? I'm tired of being strong. Dakaneta, bedu and dakaneta. Bills on my table, no sleep in my eyes.
Still they expect another smile.
I'm tired of carrying it all.
Sometimes I just wanna fall.
Rega imoyo taudezwa wakaremerwa nazvo.
Even strong hearts break sometimes. I see the way you never show, the silent battles nobody knows. Usavjimanikidze kugara wakasimba. Even warriors need a place to breathe. It's okay to cry, it's okay to rest. You don't always have to pass every test. God still sees every hidden tear, and He whispers softly, I'm still here.
I'm tired of being strong. Ndakaneta nekungobatsira vamwe.
Every prayer feels a little delayed.
Still I believe you'll make a way. I'm tired of carrying it all.
Sometimes I just wanna fall.
Kuzorora kusikukundwa.
It's healing for the soul.
How many people hide behind a smile?
How many hearts are breaking all the while?
Tinoseka simukati tichitema.
Tinofamba si moyo wakaneta.
If I can be honest, just this once,
I'm not okay,
but I'm still holding on.
I'm tired of being strong.
But I know I won't be alone.
When my strength is finally gone,
Your love will carry me home.
Ndakaneta, asiyandingaregi kutenda.
Maridi bate waroko.
I'm tired of being strong.
But tomorrow I'll rise again.
I'm tired, I'm tired, I'm tired,
I'm tired.
I'm tired,
I'm tired.
I'm tired.
Dakaneta.